Hello, and thank you for joining me today to learn more about RadReview. This video will explore the Learning Center in the student login in RadReview. On the home page, click on Sign In. On the Sign In page, enter your email address and password to log in. After you log in, navigate to the Learning Center on the left side of the page. The reading modules in the Learning Center are adapted from D.A. Saya's Radiography Prep. The module outline follows the table of contents of the book. There are 4 modules, and you can complete them in any order. We will start with Module 1. There are individual lessons within the modules. Each module starts with an overview that sets up the intention for the module, what we hope learners will accomplish if they work their way through the entire section. You can move through the module by using the arrows in the middle of the page. You can also click on a section to move around within the module. There are mini quizzes at the end of module sections. The questions are based upon the content from that module. You can mark this question for review by checking the box at the bottom of the page. Once a question is answered, you can submit your answer. If it is incorrect, you will see an X next to your answer and a green check mark next to the correct answer. You can view an explanation by clicking on Explanation at the bottom of the page. You will also see a peer comparison. Once you have completed the review questions, you can click on Finish to get a performance summary. If you wish, you may retake the quiz by clicking on Retake. As students take quizzes, recommended readings based upon their quiz performance will show up on their dashboard that link to specific module sections. If you have any questions, please contact User Services at userservices@mheducation.com. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day.